So how you can make your first $1,000 per day with paid ads and affiliate marketing. Now you can use both ways, right? You can use organic traffic, which is free and it will cost you some time to invest. And on the other hand, you can also spend $5 to $20 per day on Google ads, for example, or Facebook ads, and generate leads. Now in this video, I'm going to show exactly, as you can see right now, as I'm making this video, I made 913 euros, which is basically $1,000 in 24 hours. So as you can see over here, it's still pending because it just came in. And that's the beauty of this system that I'm going to share with you right now as you're watching. So please stay until the end of this video because you're going to discover exactly, step by step, how you can start as a beginner or as a veteran in online marketing and start generating same or even better results than me. So let's go straight into it. Right over here, I'm going to show you the beauty of this system. You can see over here, right? We have different packages. So I'm a super affiliate for this particular company, for this affiliate system, which is paying 100% commissions. So that's right. You're getting paid all the way from $500, right, to $2,000 per sale. So you can make $1,000, $2,000 commissions, or $500 commissions paid instantly in the same day. And that's the beauty of this system. You don't have to wait to get the money, right? You are getting the commissions in the same day. So what and how does it work? As you can see over here, right? We have elevation basic, we have different packages, right? And everything is laid out for you. Basically, if you're a newbie, you know you need to have a landing page or blog, you need to have website, right? You need to have traffic source, you need to have a product. And all this is given to you on the silver platter, right? In this system. So once you join this system, not only you're getting my personal support one-on-one, but also you're getting done for you affiliate system. As you can see over here, we have built for you website, you have social media pack for organic traffic, you get email templates written for you, your personal branding, right? You're getting your own landing pages, opt-in pages, custom logo. So everything is laid out for you, which is great. Why? Because if you're a newbie, you know you don't have a lot of time or skill set to create your own landing pages or worry about traffic and how to set up everything. So you have it laid out for you, right? It's done for you. And that's the beauty of this system. And that's why lots of people are getting lots of results every single day and week, even though they are beginners, right? And you don't have to spend lots of money on paid advertising to get these kind of results. So if you're watching this video, right, and if you're interested in having results like this for yourself, you can see over here, right? You can find me after watching this video on my Instagram channel. You can find me also on Facebook, WhatsApp, or even email, right? Whatever you're preferring. And if you want to have this kind of affiliate marketing results, right? If you want to make money online, make kind of passive cash, right? Side hustle or main hustle, right? Then what you can do is reach me out after watching this video. So I can show you exactly step by step how it's done, right? How you can start from zero and become a hero, right? With the right affiliate system. Because ask yourself, right? Are there people making money online? Yes, they are, probably, right? Are there people buying stuff online? Of course, right? You have people buying Amazon, eBay, Google, right? They're buying online and offline. So people are there. The only thing is you have to find out how to position your offer, right? And how to get traffic, which is high quality, right? Once you meet that, you can get results, right? It's not a rocket science. It works really, really nice once you know how to position everything correctly, right? Step by step. So let me share here what we can do next, right? If you're watching this video, right, what to do next. So let's go straight into it. If you're watching this video, right, and if you want to stop playing it average, and if you really want to have these results, right, $1,000 per day commissions or even per week, right, ask yourself, what could extra $1,000 per week or per day do for you, right? What you could do with extra $1,000. So if you really want to go for it, and claim your $1,000 commissions, then what you can do is, as I said before, connect with me after watching this YouTube video. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, right? Leave a comment, and if you're serious, you can get started. Now, what you need? Let me show you over here. What do you need, right? The main question is, what do I need to get started? Now, I suggest this. You have three options, right? You have three options. One of the options is to start with $550. If you have this budget, great. You can talk to me. Next thing is you can start with $1,100, or you can start with the best option, which is $2,500. Now, why this is the best option? It's because you can earn $2,000 commissions, you can earn $500 commissions, and you can also earn $1,000 commissions with this package. You also get my personal support, you also get done for your website, multi-page funnel, right? And buyers, 200 buyers, clicks, yeah, traffic sent as a bonus. So you can see why waiting is really, really expensive, right? It's expensive to procrastinate and wait. So the best option is, of course, $2,500, and most of the people make their money back in the first 30 days with profits, give or take, as long as they take action. Because remember, you only need one sale to make your money back. Let me show you the simple math, right? The simple math. Let's say you only get per week only one sale, or let's say every second week only one sale, right? You have invested $2,500 of your own money, right? This is investment for the whole system, no extra upsells, just this. And now you get $2,000 per sale. Let's say you only make one sale. Great. You make one sale in first week, you make $2,000. Second week, you only get one sale too. And let's say you make again one sale for only $2,000. So you make two sales. How much is your profit? How much did you make back? You just made $4,000 US. Now ask yourself, would it be worth it to make $4,000 in first 2 weeks or first 1 week? Depend entirely on you. Because what I'm giving you, you see, what I'm giving you is free traffic method where you don't have to spend any money on ads, right? If you're using Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're using, email lists, I can give you the high ticket mojo formula, which will enable you to get those kind of sales without picking up the phone call, without harassing anyone, right? Just by pre-selling the right plan. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, and if you want to have results, then subscribe to my channel. And as I said, reach out to me after watching this video. You can reach out to me and we can get going and start getting you the results that you desire.